Got this from Amazon for about $29. It's a gravity electric salt and pepper grinder. Fancy smancy. If you search on Amazon for the gravity grinder, there are many different brands. I chose this brand because it has a white LED light instead of a blue LED light. The white light just makes it easier to see how much salt you're putting on your food versus the blue light. The gravity salt shaker comes in 3 different colors. You can get silver, bronze, or the black. You could buy a set of 2 or you could buy 1. Honestly, these are great housewarming gifts, wedding gifts, whatever. It'll be a great gift. Just buy it. Okay. You just hold it by the band and you pull it off, and this is where the batteries go. So as you can see, each one takes 6 batteries. Clearly, I did not buy enough batteries for both, but I'm just going to assemble one for now. So the instructions say we should fill it 85% of the way up. I'm using Himalayan salt just because that's my choice of seasoning. You can use whatever you like, but here I go. Now that the grinder is assembled, now you can just tip and pour, and there you have it. A small brush is included for cleaning purposes, and there's also a knob on top to adjust the coarseness of the salt. All right, let's give it a try. I have my noodles boiling. Let's give it a go. A little more. Overall, I love this product because it's cool, it's fancy, it's easy to use, and I like the features on it. Thanks for watching my YouTube.